what exact steps can you take to create content on LinkedIn. Okay, so first of all, I would like to know first up, Harshada, can you tell me 3 or 4 terms which are used in your domain, in your niche on a daily basis? Like if you are like we are in marketing, okay? So hashtag consumer psychology, we keep talking about it day in day out, because we
Mm.
need to create ads, and ads are based on the consumer psychology to buy, right? So
Yeah.
can you point out 2 or 3 terms that are used in your domain niche daily, in day out?
First is digital transformation.
Okay, hashtag digital transformation, let's take it. Okay, digital transformation. So
Transformation.
what you will do, what
Yeah.
will you do, you go on LinkedIn and type this hashtag digital transformation. Okay, now you will see the posts popping up, means somebody is creating content on the same hashtag. Okay, so here you can see I have opened my LinkedIn and have entered the hashtag digital transformation keyword here. Okay, so, and when I put enter here, you can see this is a person, Gary Anderson, MBA marketing. Okay, he has posted something like successful digital transformations hinge less on how companies use digital and more on how they become digital. So it's a one liner post. Okay, and see one more post, you can see Usha Salayan, digital transformation bridging technology and people. She has written one, she has shared some carousel, 3 ways to create a smooth transition from employees during a digital transformation. Leaders must be aligned, balance tech and people, like these. So you will get a lot of content around this topic. See, top 3 benefits of digital transformation. Arun Patil has posted 3 days ago. Comprehensive tech overhaul, enhanced innovation, improved efficiency. Discover more benefits in our latest blog. Here you will see a blog link as well. Okay. So is your business ready for digital transformation or just improvement? If you feel like that this article is aligned to what you do, you can go through this article as well. So the first step is taking out those content pieces which are aligned to your domain, industry, and niche. This is step number 1. For example, uh, Harshada, you happen to relate with this post, okay? Remote teams, advanced analytics, digital supply chain. I- In the first look itself, are you aligned with this post? Like this is what you do?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So what you will do, you will go to this 3 dots button and you will save this post. Okay.
Okay.
Now I will go to the home section, and here you can see all your saved posts. See, just give me 1 second. I'm showing you saved items. Can you see this saved items here?
Mm. Mm.
So you go to saved items. You can, by the way, save jobs and articles and other things as well. Okay, so I have
Okay.
saved some jobs here. Now I will go to saved posts and articles. Okay, so here I have saved this person's post, Arun Patil, and I can see this post. So the first exercise, what you have to do, Harshada and Akhil, is to find 2 to 3 keywords which relate to your industry, domain, and niche, and at least make a collection of 5 to 10 content pieces which you relate. Step
Okay.
number 1. In LinkedIn itself, by the way, this search can extend to Google. This search can extend to Quora. Have you heard of Quora before?
No.
Quora is a question answer platform. Or you can ask Gemini also. Have you happened to use Gemini before?
Yeah. I've used it.
Just give me 1 second. I'm opening Gemini. Okay. So what I can write, I'm telling you a very basic framework. Role, task, format. Okay. Role, a LinkedIn ghostwriter. What do you mean by ghostwriter? Means somebody who writes on behalf of some other person. So a role, a LinkedIn ghostwriter who is writing for Harshada. Harshada, can you give 2-3 keywords based on your job title? That means what is your designation as such?
You can say it like designation is a manager role, but
No, full designation with the with the perfect understanding of what do you do.
wait,
Digital transformation expert. What?
yeah. You can mention it. Digital
Digital
transformation.
transformation expert, and
Yeah,
you can go on putting
and
this in the the best possible manner. Digital transformation expert in which domain, or specify something? Can you specify
in
more?
banking.
In banking. Okay. In banking. Okay.
Hmm.
Task is to give me is to give relevant blogs on Google. Okay. Relevant blogs on Google, for example. And uh format you can write, give me 100-word summary of 5 blogs. Okay. To give 5 relevant blogs on Google. Okay. This is the role task format. This is a framework known as RTF. RTF framework means role task format. So you can take the help of Gemini or Chat GPT. I would
Hmm.
not recommend you Chat GPT right away, because sometimes what happens if you are not using the premium version, the web access is not with you, right? So it can give you old things. But Gemini is having the web access. It will give you the relevant, the most recent things. Okay. See, it has given 5 topics for you to brainstorm. Navigating the NFT landscape, a banker's perspective. Explore the potential of NFTs in the banking industry. Discuss use cases like tokenizing assets, fractional ownership, and supply chain management. Highlight the challenges and opportunities for banks to embrace this emerging technology. Is it aligned with you, Harshada, for now?
Yes.
AI
Yeah.
and banking, is it aligning? Beyond chatbots, delve into the broader applications of AI in banking beyond customer service. Is it aligning with you?
Yes.
The future of banking, a branchless world. Is it aligning with you? The summary, analyze
Yes.
the trend. So you can further drill down on this topic, like how you asked to your friend. You can take the, okay, give me the relevant article on topic 3. Okay, give me the relevant article links on topic 3. Okay. So this way you can further churn it out. The future of banking, branchless or not, by Startup Wise, guys. And now you can go on reading this article. Okay. For example, the future of banking, branchless or not. You read this article and you want to have some own thoughts of yours. Okay. So what you will do, now I'm creating one content for you right away. Okay. I am hoping that this article completely resonates with you. Okay. Whatever you want to talk about. Okay. I'm copying this article. Control C. Now I'll go to Chat GPT. See, when you write your content for LinkedIn, I would highly recommend you to use Chat GPT. For the research work, Gemini is the best because it has web access. Okay. So here, there are here you can see the Chat GPT, right? You can see the Chat GPT dashboard. Harshada and Akhil. Is it visible to you?
Yes, yes.
But you will say, Shubhra, it is looking something different. It is already having prompts. I don't have this chat GPT, this kind of dashboard. Are you intrigued to know why this is different?
Is
What I
this a
have
paid
done different?
version? This is paid
No, it's
version?
not a pay. No, it's completely free. So what I have done is I have added AIPRM Chrome extension within ChatGPT. What you have to do is you have to download this AIPRM for ChatGPT. Because I have already downloaded it, it is saying remove from Chrome. But I will not remove because I am using AIPRM. So what is AIPRM? It is a gallery of prompts. It is the encyclopedia of prompts, means ready-made prompts. For example, you can see here there are 4992 prompts already ready-made, made for you to use within the free version of ChatGPT. So first of all, you will download the ChatGPT dashboard, and then you will add this AIPRM for ChatGPT Chrome extension. Then this very ChatGPT dashboard will look like this. You got my point, Harshada and Akhil?
Yes.
Okay. Now, to because I want you to complete a post within 10 to 15 minutes. I know you guys are super busy. You can't spend hours and hours for creating one simple post. Okay. So you will go to this AIPRM dictionary or encyclopedia of prompts and will type LinkedIn. So see, here are at least 7-8 LinkedIn prompts already for you. For example, here engaging LinkedIn post content, create a 100% original and plagiarism free LinkedIn post that is engaging and SEO friendly. Okay. LinkedIn post content. You can say best LinkedIn generator. Let's take this engaging LinkedIn post content. Okay. And Harshada, I
Yeah.
am just copy pasting this entire thing. Let's see. I will encourage you first. Always don't go for copy pasting thing. You understand this article and have your own pointers ready. For example, I'm not going in that direction because it is for you to decide what you should be thinking about right after reading this article. For example, you came across this article and you have 5 good points to add to this article, or you have an opinion about this article. Okay, you want to talk on this very topic, but you have your own say. So I am assuming that this is what you want to say. Okay, even if you are writing in a very haphazard format only. For example, can you just say 2 or 3 lines which you feel about this topic? Can you just say? The topic was, I am refreshing the topic for you. the
Yeah.
topic was the topic was branchless banking, the future of sorry, branchless banking evolution, challenges and potential. नहीं नहीं ये वाला नहीं मैं
It
हाँ,
was a
the,
very
fu-
good
हाँ,
question.
the future of banking, branchless or not, ये वाला topic था. And it was, the summary was okay, third वाला. Yes. Analyze the trend towards branchless banking and its implications for traditional banks. Discuss the benefits of digital only banking, such as cost savings, increased accessibility. So what do you feel about this topic?
First of
Can,
all,
can
it
you?
is cost saving.
Yes.
Cost saving, I think in this manual intervention will be impacted.
Okay.
And
You want to talk about downsides of being digital?
I don't want to I don't want to talk downside, but
Okay.
cost saving,
Okay.
efficiency will increase. Customer, what you say, satisfaction will increase. Customer will be more satisfied with this.
Hmm.
And what else? Uh,
Let's see, means you have to brainstorm a little, like 5 minutes. What do you want to talk about this topic? Okay. And let's say you have created this draft, which I am assuming this is the draft by you. Okay. And let's see how this content is made for LinkedIn. with the help of ChatGPT. See, is the future of banking branchless? With 75,000 bank branches globally, the question arises, are we heading towards a branchless world? Cost savings, digital only banking slashes operational expenses, customer satisfaction, increased accessibility, and a smoother experience. Challenges, security risks, and the need for reliable identification. Imagine a global network of financial hubs where physical branches provide cutting edge authentication, secure meeting spaces, and financial education, all while adapting to modern needs. What's your take on the future of banking? Let's discuss. And these are some hashtags. Um, Trust me, Harshada, this is not enough, but it has given you a draft how to go about it. Okay? It's about what you prompt it. You getting my point?
Yes.
Yes. And remember, whenever you write a LinkedIn post, it is mandatory to give a CTA. CTA means you want a discussion to be started. So you can provide a CTA like it has already provided. What's your take on the future of banking? But I would recommend that provide a CTA with very specific answer. See, people, you treat people as lazy, okay? They don't want to comment. So you, instead of asking like, what would you eat for lunch? Okay? Your mama says, okay, bhindi ki sabzi or matar ki sabzi. Means it's a very specific answer, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So always try to come up with a CTA in which people can answer you quickly. So that you, my duty is to help you gain attraction with LinkedIn posts. You got my point?
Yeah.
Yeah. And there is one great framework of making a LinkedIn post that is called PASS framework: problem, agitation, and solution. So you can also ask ChatGPT, like I talk to ChatGPT just as a friend. I like this version. I would say I like this version, but can you give me the draft in this framework plus CTA at the CTA very specific uh, giving options at the end. Okay, it has given problem, agitation, solution, but Harshada, while writing the LinkedIn post, you don't need to write this as a problem. Okay, you got my point?
Yeah.
What is problem, agitation, solution? So problem is traditional banking relies heavily on physical branches, which are costly and often inconvenient for today's fast-paced digital world. Yet these branches have been the backbone of customer trust and secure transactions. But agitation, what is the agitation? What are you agitating? As we push towards digital only banking, we face significant challenges like ensuring foolproof security for high value transactions and maintaining that crucial human connection. Are we truly ready to leave behind the benefits of in person banking? Solution: imagine a hybrid model where physical branches evolve into global financial hubs. These hubs could offer advanced biometric authentication, secure spaces. Okay, and now the CTA part. What do you think? Should banks embrace a branchless future, or is there still a place for physical branches in the modern world? Let's discuss. Do you see hybrid model working in your region? See, this has been a very specific CTA, right? It can stir communication. Would you prefer entirely digital banking, or do you see value in maintaining physical branches? It has given you two options. You can choose one, and these are the hashtags. See, I